My name is Draper. I grew up in Riverstick, County Cork on a dairy farm. And my aunt is running a riding school in Riverstick as well called Follyfoot Riding Farm. So I suppose the interest started there. We were always helping with lessons and pony camps, and we had our own pony when we were growing up and things, so I suppose that's where the interest started out. So I finished my 2-year educational course in Kildalton College, and I came back as a third year. So this is run by the local educational training board. So what this is it gives me a massive help to get my coaching exams. So these are run under the BHS. So this year is all about training and practicing to get those qualifications, so when I leave here I can be a fully certified coach. Third year involves a lot more responsibilities. You're kind of treated more as a member of staff. So part of our responsibilities is monitoring the horse's body condition. So this involves making sure they're getting enough feed, they're not losing any weight. So their feed must match their workload and their temperament. So each horse is weighed, so off their weight, if we see they're losing weight, they'll increase their feed. So we'd do that regularly just to ensure that they're getting the right feeds. So I actually really enjoyed the coaching. I was a little bit nervous of it at the start, but I turned out to really enjoy it. And you know, we have a set class, and you know, they walked you through it, how to instruct and how to warm up, and you know, you bring what you learn when you're riding into what you're coaching. So if you can see it on the floor and you can realise, or if you know a feeling of something, you can be able to see it from the floor. So it's all intertwined and one helps each other. So I really thought that was really helpful and enjoyed that.